Hello traders, FS Collector here. Today is Monday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this could possibly be the end of a wave C, and if that is the case, that means the first move down is a wave 1. That means that this move up is all a crescent to the move down like a wave 2, and that eventually it's going to end up continuing the downtrend, making a wave 3, 4, and wave 5 to finish off this pattern. So this is the monthly time frame. That's going to take a long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly and switch back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, I still see this right here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E of wave 2. We are approaching that 50% level, and we do have some very, very high level interest rate news for the dollar this week. Could possibly be the catalyst that causes the end of a crescent, end of a wave 2, and the beginning of a big wave 3. So let's take it right down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can really start to see the high, low, high, low, high lows that make up this uptrend. I do believe that we are going to end up continuing to drift up, probably prior to the news on Wednesday, probably end up looking something like that. And we'll have to see what it looks like before the news, but it could end up causing the continuation of the downtrend and maybe even a break of sorts, proving that this whole move up is complete. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, since we had the last end of a crescent, probably way back here, we have definitely been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, telling me that the trend is definitely still up, and unless price goes down and breaks this structure, I am going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend, especially if I see 3 ways down and positive up, another higher low. That's exactly what I'd be looking for to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks to me like we already have 1, 2, 3 waves down. I was thinking we already had the end of a crescent. Now it could possibly end up turning out to be like a larger crescent, end up doing something like that before it actually does end up continuing up more, especially since it is Monday and we do not really have any news at all this Monday. So I mean, it could end up stretching out into a bigger crescent, but for me, I am definitely still only looking for longs. Unless price goes down and breaks this structure, then I will stop looking for longs, and then I will start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.